music in the back from the TV, so I won't get demonetized. But hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment for more cleaning, motivation, and lifestyle videos. I look a little different, a little pretty, a little glammed up, you know. Today is my brother's virtual graduation party for the family, and we're gonna do it over Zoom. So before I get everybody ready, we have about 2 hours. It starts at 7. It's about 5 o'clock now. I want to get the house cleaned up. It's not too bad, but does anybody else have that feeling that before you can go anywhere, especially like vacations and stuff like that, you have to make sure that your house is clean? Well, before I leave, I have to make sure my house is clean. I don't care if I'm going to the grocery store or to the mailbox. I don't know. It's just a feeling that I had just to come home and not have to do anything. So I'm going to do like a little power hour type thing, and then I am going to get ready and go and attend this graduation. You're driving me crazy, driving me crazy, driving me crazy. And lately, your body's made, your body's made, your body's made. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. Oh. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
say why you're a stranger now. Your eyes escaping mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on onto a fairy tale, but the magic's gone?